Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make turmeric lollipops. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of high-quality turmeric powder. You'll also need a sturdy saucepan, a reliable candy thermometer, and either silicone lollipop molds or parchment paper with lollipop sticks ready. This simple recipe brings a unique twist to a classic treat, perfect for a fun kitchen project. Now, let's get cooking. In your saucepan, combine the 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Stir gently over medium heat until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Insert your candy thermometer and continue to cook the syrup until it reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, also known as the hard crack stage. Remove the pan from the heat immediately and quickly stir in the 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder until well combined. With your mixture ready, it's time to shape those lollipops. Carefully and quickly pour the hot turmeric syrup into your silicone lollipop molds. If you're using parchment paper, spoon small, round puddles, approximately 1 1/2 inches in diameter, onto the paper. Immediately place a lollipop stick into each puddle or mold, twisting it slightly to ensure the stick is well coated and secured within the candy. Work quickly as the mixture cools fast. Finally, let your delicious turmeric lollipops cool completely. This usually takes about 30 minutes or until they are firm to the touch. Once fully cooled, carefully remove them from their molds or peel them off the parchment paper. Wrap each lollipop individually in cellophane to keep them fresh and prevent sticking. They make wonderful gifts or a unique treat for yourself. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.